Alright, so next we have the oscillator mode set to matrix. So these are the settings. So this is how the oscillator looks. Let me just turn off all the settings and we will turn it back on one by one. So this is how the oscillator looks without the features turned on. Let's turn on the hyperwave. The default length is set to 7. So this is the hyperwave with the green and gray color. You can change the colors here. And the signals, which are these dots, little dots, they are set to the SMA. Once the market goes below the overbought or oversold zones, we will see little dots here, and they represent reversal. And if we look closely, we will also see the gray dots, which are above the overbought zone. So they can also be used as the reversals, right? So let's combine the hyperwave with the divergences. So now we will see divergence. So this is the divergence here, the green line. So once we have the divergence, so we will see the hyperwave moving upwards and the market behaving like that accordingly. So this was the bullish divergence. For the bearish divergence, we will see red line. So this, then again with the green, which was the below the oversold zone. So these were the divergences. So next is the money flow, which is set to 35. And the smoothness is set to 6. We can change the money flow colors as well. Red and green. Let's see how it works. So the money flow is the bright green and red areas. So they represent the overbought or the extended zones where the market could reverse or the market could play sideways. So if we see the red zone, that means the price is moving upward. And if we see the bright red zone, that means that the price will consolidate. Same here, if we see the green zone, the price is moving downwards. If you see the bright green zone here, just like here, little jump, so the price will consolidate, right? And same here. We see the flip. The price turned from green to red. We see the price move upwards. Again here, flip. The price moving downward. So they are extremely useful. We have the bright green zone here, so we might see some consolidation here. So the money flow is extremely helpful with extended ranges. Next we have is the confluence meter. So we will see a confluence meter here. So this is the confluence meter. We can also turn on the confluence areas. And if we see the confluence meter in the red, that means the momentum is bearish. And these are the confluence areas. If the price moves above if the wavelength moves, hyper wavelength moves above the overbought we will see bright green color, and same for the oversold, we will see bright red color. So that means the market is overbought or oversold. So we have that in alignment with the confluence meter as well, right? So we can set the reversal factor. So the fewer are the stronger signals and the lower value means weaker signals. So let's say we have a little triangle here. That means we might see reversal. Next, we have here the reversal zones here, the reversal marker. We saw reversal. Same here. We saw reversal. Same here. We saw reversal. So they are highly useful. And this, all the settings turned on, creates extremely powerful tool we can use within our trading strategies, and it helps us with understanding the market behavior more easily, right?